In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Jira link in Confluence. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to connect a Jira issue to your Confluence content so your documentation and your tasks stay perfectly in sync. First, head over to Atlassian.com. If you're new to the Atlassian ecosystem, click Sign Up to create your account. This single account gives you access to both Jira and Confluence, which is exactly what we need here. Follow the prompts to set up your profile. If you already use Atlassian products, you're all set. Next, go to the space or project where your Jira link is located. In practice, that means opening Jira and navigating to the project that contains the issue you want to reference in Confluence. Make sure you have at least view access to the project so you can copy its link. Now look for the ticket you want to link to Confluence. You can browse your project's issue list or use search to find it quickly by summary or key. Open that issue so you're on its detail view. On the issue page, click the three-dot icon, sometimes labeled More Actions. From the drop-down menu, click Copy Link. This grabs the direct URL to the exact Jira issue you're viewing. It's the safest way to make sure the link opens the correct ticket every time. With that copied, go to Confluence. You can easily log in using your Atlassian account, and once you're in, you'll land on your Confluence home or the last space you visited. If you're working with a team, make sure you're in the right space so your page ends up in the proper place. At the top, click Create. This opens a new page draft where you can add your content. Choose the option where you want to paste the link in. That could be a blank page, a meeting notes template, or any page you're currently editing where the Jira reference belongs. Place your cursor exactly where the link should appear to provide the right context for your readers. Now simply paste the link. Confluence will recognize it as a Jira issue and often converts it into a smart link automatically. That means it may display the issue key, title, and status so your audience can understand it at a glance. If it appears as a plain URL at first, that's fine. The link will still work. The key part is that the connection is now established. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.